What are you doing?
Well, Tara got some fireworks out.
For why?
Well, it is, New Year's Eve.
Oh,
So we want
I
to
see.
do something fun for New Year. So we've got all these pyrotechnic stuff. And I have an idea.
Oh no. Does it involve fire?
It does. Well, it involves kind of this orchestration.
I'm not sure that you have enough ammunition here, Ron.
But
I mean, where did all this come from?
we live in a state that embraces gunpowder and things that, blow up.
And did you go shopping for this stuff?
Not recently. This is all left over from the fort.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
And you just never know when you're going to need a backstash of fireworks,
A
huh?
little dynamite.
Oh, yeah.
These are great. These blow up in water.
Oh, so I wonder what they do in snow.
I know. Bangers.
Yeah.
It's only, I just checked, it's like 8 below zero.
Is that all?
But the wind chill is only 15 below because the wind's kind of stopped.
I know. It's lovely out.
It's balmy.
Totally awesome.
The trick is, when those sparklers are burning, okay.
Stand back
Here we go.
so I can roast my sucker.
Come here, bud. Stay here. Oh, dear. Be afraid.
Be very afraid.
This is awesome.
Yeah, maybe.
Look at it.
Ooh, go.
That's one
That's
noisy enemy base.
Look, there's a fire on your thing. How can that happen? Ooh, stink bomb.
Yeah!
Yeah, there's a smoke bomb.
Oh, dear.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh,
Smoke bomb.
beautiful. Yay!
Yay! Yay! Wasn't that great?
That was great. Happy New Year!